students. Good afternoon all of you. In our last lecture we had seen chapter 1. Today we will learn about chapter number 2, Dakshin Padam. Dakshin Padam, it means right leg. Dakshin it means right and Padam it means leg. Dakshin Padam, right leg. This song is about physical exercise. Sanskrit is not only language of gods, but it is a practical language, and this is an action song, and this is this song is about physical exercise. So look at the shlokas. First is Dakshin Padam Puraskuru, Dakshin Padam Kuru Prustham, Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam, Golakaram Swayambhram. Dakshin Padam means right leg. Puraskuru, Puraskuru it means forward. Right leg forward. Dakshin Padam Kuru Prustham, Kuru Prustham, Kuru it means put. Put your right leg. Prustham, Prustham it means back. Dakshin Padam Puraskuru, Dakshin Padam Kuru Prustham. It means put your right leg forward and put your right leg back. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam, Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam. Mandam Mandam it means slowly, slowly. Brahmaitam, Brahmai it means turn around. And Golakaram Swayambhram, Golakaram Swayambhram. Golakara it means round and round. Swayam it means yourself. Ram it means turn yourself round and round. Put your right leg forward. Put your right leg back. Put your right leg forward and put your right leg back. Turn it around slowly and move yourself round and round. Turn it round slowly. Mandam Mandam it means slowly. And move yourself round and round. It means Golakaram Swayam Brahma. Move yourself round and round. Okay. Second shloka. Vam Padam Puraskuru, Vam Padam Kuru Prustham. Vam Padam. Vam Padam it means left leg. We are talking about left leg. Put your left leg. Puraskuru it means forward. Vam Padam Kuru Prustham means your left leg. Put your left leg back. Kuru Prustham it means Prustham it means back and Kuru it means put. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam Golakaram Swayambhram. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam Golakaram Swayambhram. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Some lines are same in whole poem. Vam Padam Puruskuru, Vam Padam Kuru Prustham, Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam Golakaram Swayambhram. It means put the left leg forward, put the left leg back. Turn it around slowly and move yourself round and round. Okay? In first shloka we were talking about right leg, then our left leg. Now Dakshin Hastam Puruskuru, Dakshin Hastam Kuru Prustham. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam Golakaram Swayambhram. Dakshin Hastam. Dakshin Hastam it means Dakshin it means right and Hastam it means hand. Your right hand. Put the right hand. Puruskuru it means forward. Put your right hand forward. Dakshin Hastam Kuru Prustham. Dakshin Hastam Kuru Prustham. Prustham means back. Put your right hand forward, put your right hand back. Mandam Mandam Brahmaitam Golakaram Swayambhram. Turn it around slowly and move yourself round and round. Put your right hand hand forward, put your right hand back, turn it round, around and slowly and move yourself round and round. Move yourself round and round with your hand. Next one, Vam hastam puruskuru, Vama hastam kuru pushtam. Mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm. Vam hastam it means left leg. Put your left hand forward. Vam hastam. Hastam it means hand. Vam it means left. Put your left hand forward. Put your left hand back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Put your left hand forward. Put your left hand back. Turn it round slowly and move yourself round and round. Next one, Hastadvayam puraskuru, Hastadvayam kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm. Hastadvayam. Hasta it means hand. Dvayam it means both hands or two hands. Puraskuru, you know that forward. Hastam dvayam means our both hands. Kuru prustham it means put your both hands back. Prustham means back. And next line, mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm means turn them around slowly and move yourself round and round. Put your hands, two hands forward, put your two hands back. It means put your both hands forward and put your both hands back. In our first line, we were talking about right leg, then left leg, then right leg, then left leg, then right hand, then left hand. Now we are talking about both hands. Our both hands move forward, put your both hands back, turn them around slowly and move yourself round and round. Next one, Sarvangam hi puruskuru, Sarvangam hi kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakara swayam brahm. Sarvang it means whole, our whole body parts. Sarvangam, sarva anga. This is a word this word made by two words. Sarva ang, it means sarvanga. Sarva ang it means whole body parts. All your body parts. Hi puraskuru. Hi it means to put your whole body parts back forward. Put back your all body parts back. Sarvangam hi kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm. Sarvangam hi puruskuru. It means put back all your body parts forward. Then put back all your body parts back. Turn them round slowly and move yourself round and round. The last one, Sarve militva खेलाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा गायाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्याम. Sarve means all, militva it means together. Khelam it means play. Sarve militva khelam it means let's all play together. Sarve militva gayam it means let's sing together. Gayam it means sing. Militva it means together. Let's all sing together. Sarve militva khadam it means eat food. Militva it means you know that together. Sarve militva nrutyam it means dancing or dance. Let us play together. Let's all sing together. Let's all eat food together and let's all dance together. सर्वे मिलित्वा खेलाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा गायाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा खादाम, सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्याम. It means let's play together, let's all sing together, let's all eat food together, and let's all dance together. Okay students, this poem is about exercise, physical exercise. Now we will see exercise of it. Okay students, now we will see some exercise. Construct the words following the illustration. Construct the words following the illustration. There are given some words. We have to change into this illustration. First one, khel. There are given one example, khel, khelama. Khel, khelama. Second one, khad. Khadna. Third, nritya. Nrityama. Nritya, nrityama. Next word, patha. Patha. Patama. Then next word, likha. Likhama. Pa into bracket pib. Pibam. Then chal. Chala. And last one, ram. Ramama. Now there is some more exercise from our workbook. First question, for each of the following questions, choose the correct option and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the given box. First question, what is the meaning of the word Dakshin Padam? What is the meaning of the word Dakshin Padam? The options are right hand, left leg, left hand and right leg. Dakshin Padam it means right leg. The correct answer is option C, right leg. Okay. Now second question, what is the meaning of the word khadam? What is the meaning of the word khadam? The options are we are playing, we are eating, we are dancing or we are singing. Khadam it means eating. We are eating. The correct answer is option B, we are eating. Question number 3. What is the meaning of the word Vamam? What is the meaning of the word Vamam? The options are Vama, side, left or hand. Vamam it means left. Option C is the correct answer. Left. Vamam it means left. Number 4. What is the meaning of the word Mandam? Mandam. What is the meaning of the word Mandam? The options are ask him, speedily, slowly, give them. Mandam it means slowly. Correct answer is option C. Next question, number 5. What instruction is given in the sentence Dakshin Padam Puraskuru? What instruction is given in the sentence Dakshin Padam Puraskuru? The options are: move your leg in the south direction, do humbly, move the right leg forward, raise the leg of south direction. Raise the leg of south direction. Dakshin Padam Puraskuru, it means move the right leg forward. Move the right leg forward. Dakshin, it means right, Padam, it means leg, and Puraskuru, it means forward. Move the right leg forward. Option C. The next question, number 6. The word Kurupushtam means, the words Kurupushtam, it means Kurupushtam. The options are: move backwards, turn the back, make a lift, ask him. The correct answer is option B, turn the back. Question number 7. The meaning of the word Dakshin Hastam is. The meaning of the word Dakshin Hastam is: Dakshin, it means right, and Hastam, it means hand. Right hand. Dakshin Hastam, it means our right hand. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. Hastadvayam means. Hastadvayam means. The options are: pair of hands, fold the hands, two hands, give a hand or help. Hastadvayam. Hasta, it means hand. Dvayam, it means two. Two hands. Option C, two hands. Hastadvayam, it means two hands. Question number 9. The word Sarvang means. The word Sarvang means. The options are: whole body, all the organs, complete, whole being. Sarvang. Sarvang, it means Sarva Anga. Sarva, it means whole. Anga, it means all the body parts. So, Sarvang means whole body. Option A. Whole body. Question number 10. The sentence Sarve Militva means. Sarve Militva means. Sarve, it means all. Militva. Militva, it means together. Sarve Militva, it means all together. The options are: all together, everyone meets, to meet everyone, everyone's meeting. Correct answer is option A, all together. Okay. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with proper words according to the poem. Okay. First one. Tvam Dakshin Padam Golakaram dash. Tvam Dakshin Padam Golakaram dash. Into bracket there are given two words: Brahma, Brahmari. Brahma. Tvam Dakshin Padam Golakaram Brahma. Next one. Tvam Vam Padam dash. There are two words: Puraskuru and Golaikuru. Puraskuru and Golaikuru. Tvam Padam Padam You have to fill these blanks according to the poem. Third one, Tvam hastadvyam kuru dash pushtham puraskaroti prushtham. Tvam hastadvyam kuru prushtham. Fourth one, sarve dash gayam खादित्वा और मिलित्वा सर्वे मिलित्वा गाया. It means we, let's sing all together, let's sing song together. Fifth one, सर्वे मिलित्वा dash नृत्या और पठा. सर्वे मिलित्वा नृत्या, it means dance together. Patham, it means read together. The last one, Tvam swayam golakaram brahmayat or brahm. Now, next one, put a tick against the true statement and cross against the false statement. First one, children, stretch the right leg forward. Stretch the right leg forward. False. Put the right leg forward is the correct statement. Second one, on child, put left leg from right. On child, put left leg from right. False. Bala Yurya Tvaritam Brahmat. Bala Yurya Tvaritam Brahmat. It is also false. Hastadvayam Kuru Pushtham. Hastadvayam Kuru Pushtham. It means both of your hands put forward. True. Put all your body parts forward. True. Next one. Find out the Sanskrit words of the English words given below from this song and write. Find out the Sanskrit word of the English words given below from this song. First word is right leg. Right leg, it means Dakshin Padam. Right leg, it means Dakshin Padam. Second one, left leg. Left leg, it means left hand. Left hand, it means Vamam Hastam. Vamam Hastam. Slowly, it means Mandam. Mandam, it means slowly. All body parts, it means Sarvanga. Fifth one, play. Play, it means Khelam. On self means Swayam. It means yourself or on self. Okay. Now, number 5. Find out the true synonyms of the Sanskrit words given below from the options given against then write. First one, Pura. It means Purastatama. Second one, Mandam. It means Shani. There are given two words, Shigram or Shani. Shigram, it means fast, and Shani, it means slow. Mandam, it means slow. Shani, slowly. Hastam. Karak or Kari, Kara. Astam it means hand. And Kara it means also hand. Prustham. Prustham. There are given two words. Paschat and Agre. So Prustham it means back. Means Paschat. Paschat it means back. Backward. Next word, Golakaram. Golakaram. Chakrakaram or Militva. Golakaram it means Chakrakaram. Round shape. Chakrakaram means round and round. Khadam. Khadam it means Vadam or Bhakshayam. Khadam it means eating food. So Bhakshayam, it is the right answer for Khadam. Bhakshayamah means Khadam. Okay. Next exercise. Write the following words correctly in good handwriting. Write the following words correctly in good handwriting. First one, Dakshin Padam. Second, Brahmaitamam. Brahmaitamam. Third one, Prustham. You have to just copy these words in good handwriting. Golakaram. Puraskuru. Militva. Okay, now we will move on our next exercise. Question number 7. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in English. Answer the questions in English. First question. In this song, Dakshin Padam, how have we been instructed to move right leg? How have we been instructed to move right leg? We have to answer in English. In this song, we have been instructed to move right leg forward and backward. We have been instructed our right leg forward and backward. Second question. In the song Dakshin Padam, what have the children been instructed to do themselves? Children have been instructed to move their body round and round. To move their body round and round. Third question. In the song Dakshin Padam, how have we been instructed to do the exercise of both hands? How have we been instructed to do the exercise of both hands? The answer is, we have been instructed to do exercise with our both hands. Sorry, we have been instructed to move both the hands forward and backwards, turn by turn. First right hand, then left hand. Question number 4. In the song Dakshin Padam, how have we been instructed to do exercise of all the parts of a body? We have been instructed to move all our body parts forward and backward and rotate slowly. To move all our body parts forward and backward and rotate slowly, round and round. Okay. Question number 5. What have we been instructed to do in Dakshin Padam song? What have we been instructed to do in Dakshin Padam song? The answer is, we have been instructed to turn the left leg round and round slowly, then right leg round and round slowly, and then our left hand, then right leg, right hand, then both hands round and round and slowly. Question number 6. What emotion is expressed in the song Sarve Militva? What emotion is expressed in the song? The emotion expressed in this song is that let's all play, sing, eat and dance together. Let's all play, sing, eat and dance together. Now, exercise number 8. Translate the following verses into English. Translate the following verses into English. First one. Dakshin hastam puruskuru, dakshin hastam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm. Dakshin hastam puruskuru. Dakshin hastam means right hand. Put your right hand. Puraskuru, it means forward. Put your right hand forward. Dakshin hastam kuru prustham. Put your right hand backward or back. Mandam mandam brahmaitam golakaram swayam brahm. Mandam mandam brahmaitam means turn it around, round and slowly round and round. Second one, hastadvayam puruskuru, hastadvayam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmaitam, golakaram swayam brahm. Hastadvayam, hasta means hand, dvayam it means two, both hands. Puruskuru it means forward. Put your both hands or two hands. Put your two hands forward. Put your two hands backward, back. Mandam mandam brahmaitam golakaram swayam brahm means turn it around, round, slowly and round and round. Okay students, this is our second chapter. This is an action song and this is all the exercise. Kindly check study material and write down all the exercise in your notebook. Thank you.